Shani Jayanti and Bhaumati Amavasya are important festivals for Hindus. Here's what you can do for this day. First, because it's Bhaumati Amavasya, what you can do is offer tarpan to ancestors or our Pitrus. This is an excellent day to get blessings from Pitrus, our ancestors. Amavasyas are also important for the worship of Shiva. Now, according to the Shiv Puran, worshipping Lord Shiva during the Amavasya time and doing his sadhana helps you even get Shiv Sanidhya or moksha. And also, if you have any obstacles or hurdles and you want to get the blessings of Lord Shiva, doing the jap or the sadhana of Lord Shiva on Amavasya time is excellent. Amavasya is also an excellent time to worship Ma Kali because Ma Kali removes all the negative and dark energies from life and she blesses her devotees with immense wealth, prosperity, abundance, and also moksha. Now, because the Shani Jayanti is aligning with the Amavasya, that is why this is a very powerful day. And you can make the most of this day by doing the Hanuman Chalisa part, doing the Tula Dan, which is basically making a khichdi out of urad dal, black urad dal with rice and offering it to the poor people. Doing any types of dan today is also amazing. Apart from this, you can do different kinds of Anushthan, which is Sundarkand part, doing Rudrabhishekam, doing a Mahamrityunjay jap, and also doing the Anushthan of the Dashrath Krit Shani Stotra. This stotra has been written by Raja Dashrath. You can also read the Ramcharitramanas and any other stotras that are related to Lord Shani and Hanumanji. Even offering jal to Shivling or Shivji in a temple is an excellent way to get the blessings and avoid different kinds of obstacles in future. There are many rituals and Anushthan that can be done on this powerful day. I have put all of them in the captions. Do check the captions below.